on top of it being muddy, cold. Now we got rain. Fuck it. Definitely did not come prepared to go on a hike in the fucking mud. This one over here, she did. She's got fucking boots on. You know, it's good to get out, do some physical activity, burn some calories. Hikes are a great way to do that. Through the rain and the mud, we got all the way the fuck up here. Take a look at Marin County. I know, this was an artsy-fartsy video, but thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. I still don't know what the fuck to say to end these things.
Goodbye.